Here's a nice project for you woodworkers out there that you could probably build in one weekend. It's a quick release coping saw. Here's what the saw looks like, all put together. I made it out of hard maple. It's strong and has a very lightweight frame. I got it down to about 8 ounces. The blade is adjustable, and with the quick release you can easily replace blades or feed a blade through a hole to continue sawing a shape in wood. Here's what the saw looks like taken apart, give you an idea of what the individual parts look like. All of the parts are off-the-shelf hardware, and again it accepts pin-type style blades. I did all of the cutting of the pieces using a bandsaw, and the plans come with all the templates needed to be mounted on the wood for shaping, cutting, and drilling. Here are the two end pieces shown with the templates mounted and drilled, getting ready for cutting out on the bandsaw. All of the holes are drilled using Forstner bits, and what I did was I drilled from one side, flipped the piece over and drilled from the other side using the hole for the pilot, and that way I got nice clean holes on both sides of the piece. Now pieces are cut out. I used rasp, a plane, and a card scraper to finish up the edges. Made everything kind of smooth before I glued it up. Final shaping of the framework for the saw. Blocks of 3/4 inch stock glued up, and then drilled in the center down to the depth that's needed for the handle. I cut the corners off for the handle using the bandsaw. This way it made a hexagonal shape up for the handle. If you have a lathe, you could put this on a lathe and make it totally round if you like. Here's the kind of the final shape of the handle using a block plane and a scraper to make it nice and smooth. Here's what the lever, the release lever for the saw, cut from one side. And here's the lever put together, the two pieces mounted and drilled, and ready to be cut on the bandsaw for the final shape. A few of the parts to the saw are metal and need to be drilled and tapped, which is a pretty simple matter. Here's what the saw looks like, all completed and ready to go. If you'd like to get the plans to make this saw, just click the link.